Hi, hello guys, good morning. Today we're gonna do a quick small project for landscaping, a little bit supporting the civil engineering with grading, right? To put some grades on some element that is already like existing here, right? So on the project we have some ramps and I'm gonna start showing them in a little bit. Let me just get this one. Let's go to our visual styles and get this one back to hidden line. There we go. Now let's go to our site plan. We're gonna work with the site plan like a civil engineer this time. We're gonna wear the hat of the civil engineer. And here, guys, we need to select this sidewalk, existing sidewalk, right? And we need to modify the sub-elements. Got it? So I can go and add some points here, right, on this corner and this one, right? But the best thing to do on this one, there's no problem, okay? There's no problem. I just want to add from you guys this little tip or trick. Okay, going to the architectural tab, going to reference plane, right? I'm gonna place a reference plane that is gonna be actually like an invisible line there, right? You can also select this one and click to add a name here, right? We can add a name here. We can put here the elevation if you want, right? Or if this one is gonna go down here or so. Got it? So I'm gonna place those there. So I'm gonna put here my 0, right? And then on this, okay, so this one is my 0, right? I'm gonna draw another reference plane around here, and it's going to be like around here, right? We need to do the calculation for the distance so we can have the 2% slope and so, right? So, well, let's say that we already did that one, right? So there's another tracing, sorry, another reference plane, right? And we can modify here when we get to we can clear here on the name that we're going to go down 8 inches, right? 8 inches, or actually here, better, minus 8 inches. Okay, minus 8 inches there. Got it? And then I'm gonna draw another reference plane. Okay, another one. Okay, reference plane, right? And I'm gonna put it above this Revit default reference plane. So okay, so hopefully it doesn't make any problem here. Got it? Okay, here. Okay, and guess what? This one, because it's gonna be a kind of like a flat portion, a transition. Okay, this one is also gonna be right minus 8 inches. Got it? Okay, there we go. And then it's gonna tell you that this name already exists. Okay, great. So let's cancel this. Let's get this one, right? And put here, okay, again, minus 8 inches and then a letter A. Got it? Okay, so it's the subsequent, right? There we go. So we're gonna go and slope down minus 8 inches here, minus 8 inches here as well. And then here, I'm gonna draw another reference plane to finalize this. So we can label those reference planes later. Got it? Okay. So this one, those reference planes are going to help me to properly intersect points here. Okay. This is the main thing. Okay. So let's select our sidewalk. Let's add points, right? Okay. Add the points here. Got it? So I'm going to add those points, right? So I'm going to add this one, right? All the points are on the 0. So I can add the points. This one, the civil engineers are going to love doing this, right? I remember working for a firm and there was everything about doing there. Got it there, here, and then to find the proper alignment, that's why it's the reference plane, to find the proper alignment here. Got it? The proper alignment. Well, this one is a corner, right? But also Revit help us using that witness line there, right? So help us, okay, finding the proper alignment. So we might have the reference plane or not have the reference plane, but well, let's put it here. Okay, now here is the nice thing. I'm gonna choose the 3D. I'm gonna use the window tile, right? I'm gonna put WT to see to split those two. I'm gonna type in ZA to center both things there, right? Okay, so those little two shortcuts. Okay, now let's keep a quick eye on this on your left side and let's modify those points. Okay, let's modify those points. So let's grab this thing. Now we can go to modify sub elements. Got it? And then here, I'm going to click on the point and I'm going to be able to modify. Minus 0 space 8, right? Remember that for Revit, a whole number is a foot. We need to add a space and then whatever inches. Got it? So I need to do the same thing on the other side. You're going to see right away that break there, right? So let's do it here, right? Minus 0 space 8. Got him? And then here, right? Same thing, minus 0 space 8. Got it? There we go. Minus 0 space 8. Okay, so we got that thing flat, and now it needs to go maybe a little bit up to enter the building, right? Okay, so we need to be having a little a quick thing here. Okay, so now we have this, and this one didn't follow my thing. So let me go here, right? Modify the sub elements. So even with this, and I'm gonna try to move, or I'm gonna have to erase this point. I'm gonna erase this point. Got it? So I'm gonna add a point, and it's gonna be on 0 right here. Got it? And then here I can modify this for minus 0 space 8. So now it's properly done. Okay, so now I have a little ramp going down, a flat surface, and now this one is gonna go up, right? So it can be uh, 2 inches or 4 inches. So I can put here a minus 4 inches, minus 4 inches, and minus 4 inches, and minus 4 inches, right? This is what the civil engineer does when it comes to do the grading. Got it? So I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna put here minus zero, oops, 0.4. Got it? Here again, minus 0.4. Whoops, space 4. Don't forget the space. Got it? Here as well. Okay, minus 0 space 4. Don't put 4 positive. It's gonna go really high. Okay, believe it or not, it's gonna go high. Got it? Minus 0 space 4. Got it? And we got another flattened surface. Okay. So how to see this? Okay. Well, we can really easily, right, to manage this, and we can fix this one later. Is to make a section. You can draw a section. Okay. There, looking to the other side. We want to look. Well, you can look at this side, right? And you will see your ramp, your points, right? The flattened surface, and then the point going up, right? The ramp going up, and then, okay, getting into our building there. Got it? And then we can support ourselves with another section on a different direction, so we can address these points here. Got it? These points here, right? And also the toposoil. You're gonna see here the toposoil. Let me put this one on hidden line. Got it? Sorry, hidden line on shaded, right? And if I want to modify the toposoil, right, and I can add those points, and I want to make them like lower, right, I'm gonna modify and I'm gonna add a point, and I'm gonna add a point like right here for now. Okay, it's just an imaginary point here. There we go. Right, if those points I want to make them going like minus 0 space 8 inches, I might get a warning. Right, I'm gonna get a warning, right, because maybe the topsoil is not that thick. Got it? It's not. It doesn't have that thickness there, or the materials are not enough. So I'm gonna cancel this. I'm gonna have to go to the toposoil, edit the type, right? Going to the preview and edit the structure, right? Edit the structure. And even if it has, right, a four and sorry, a 1 feet and 4 inches, I'm gonna go and modify it, right? And I'm gonna add the grass. I'm gonna keep it as 4, right? The substrate, I'm gonna make it a foot. The substrate, I'm gonna make it a foot. Got it? And let's see, now it's a little bit thicker. Let me go here and okay. Apply it. Okay, so now it's a little bit thicker. You're gonna notice it right away because of this line on the bottom. And let's try to add those. Okay, select this one, modify the sub elements. Now get this one here and put this one um, minus 0 space 8 inches, and there we go. Got it? So it needs to be a little bit thicker, right? It needs to be a little bit thicker. So I'm going to go here again. Okay. Um, minus 0 space 8. Got it? And I can keep up with that. Okay. So I'm going to try to slope down as well this toposoil here, right? Okay. So there's two tips for the price of one. Okay. Rincon Beam Consulting. Like and subscribe.